Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to cover the top 50 weekly current affairs from the date 20th April to 26th April. This video is completely explained in English. These current affairs will be useful for all the students who are preparing for civil service examinations, SSC exams, railways and other competitive exams. I am providing the PDF of this video in the description box. Please have a look at it. Let's get into the video. First question. What is the application launched by Ministry of Agriculture to facilitate farmers in searching the transport vehicles for their produce? So, due to COVID-19 pandemic, the farmers are unable to transport their produce, transport their yield, transport their crop to the markets. So, what happened was Ministry of Agriculture, they are providing a mobile app. So through that app, they can find the transport vehicles, which are basically tractors. So with the help of that app, they can transfer their produce to nearby markets. So what is a mobile application? Options are Kisan Rail, Kisan Rath, Kisan Suvidha, IFFCO Kisan. So the answer is B, Kisan Rath. Next question. Which of the following NBFC is Apex Financial Institution for Housing? NBFC means Non-Banking Financial Corporation. Options are NABARD, NHB, SIDBI, HDB. Answer is B, NHB. So, apart from the questions, I am discussing other important topics related to the question. So, here about the other option, Kisan Rail. So what is Kisan Rail? National cold supply chain for perishables including meat, milk, fish. So all these perishable items like meat, milk and fish, these are transported to other states within our country with the help of railways. That is called Kisan Rail. Kisan Rath, as we have studied it, facilitate farmers and traders to identify suitable transport for shipping their produce. Next, Kisan Suvidha. It is a 24/7 service about weather reports within a single click. So farmers can find the weather report. So using this app, farmers can find the weather report. Next, IFFCO Kisan. It is a website that is related to fertilizers. Next, Non-Banking Financial Corporation. First one, NABARD. The full form of NABARD is National Banking for Agriculture and Rural Development. So what this NABARD will do? It is a non-banking financial corporation. So this NABARD they provide agriculture loans and loans to other economic activities, mainly in rural areas, mainly in villages of our country. Next, NHB, National Housing Bank. It is Apex Financial Institution for Housing. So these banks will provide loans for houses. Next, SIDBI. Full form of SIDBI is Small Industries Development Bank of India. So what this SIDBI will do is they provide loans to micro, small and medium enterprises sectors. Next question. India doesn't share a land border with which of the following countries? Bangladesh, Myanmar, Bhutan, Sri Lanka. The answer is D, Sri Lanka. So Sri Lanka is a border, but here they have asked about land border. So the answer is Sri Lanka. Next question. Which of the first state to become COVID free? A, Goa, B, Assam, C, Sikkim, D, Jammu and Kashmir. The answer is A, Goa. There is one case registered in Goa and after some days it is also treated as negative. So it became the first COVID-free state in our country. Next question. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, which means the world is one, is taken from which of the following? It is the Sanskrit word. It was taken from Maha Upanishad, Mundaka Upanishad, Taittiriya Upanishad, Mandukya Upanishad. It was taken from one of the Upanishads. The answer is A, Maha Upanishad. Next question. What is called the rate of interest the RBI pays to its clients? Here clients means all the commercial banks like SBI, HDFC, ICICI, who offer the short-term loans to it. So what is the meaning of that rate of interest? What was it called? A, repo rate, B, reverse repo rate, C, SLR, D, bank rate. The answer is B, reverse repo rate. Now what is the meaning of repo rate? Repo rate means the rate of interest that commercial banks, all these banks, they pay to RBI. That is called repo rate. Here we can see the meaning of other terms. Marginal Standing Facility Rate, MSF. So what is MSF? Banks can borrow cash from RBI against their approved government securities. So against the government bonds, so they can borrow cash from Reserve Bank of India. It is also similar to repo rate, but it was taken only during emergencies. Next, cash reserve ratio, CRR. So what this CRR means? Banks prefer to deposit this liquid cash with Reserve Bank of India. The percentage of the deposits that should be kept aside by banks is called cash reserve ratio. So what CRR means? Here you can see the CRR is 3%. That means, suppose let us take SBI, State Bank of India. The liquid cash present with SBI is suppose 100 crores. But all these 100 crores that should not be kept with bank itself. So what this CRR means, out of this 100 crore, they should have to put 3%. That means 3 crore within the bank. They have to maintain these 3 crores for transactions and everything. So that is called CRR. Next, statutory liquidity ratio, SLR. SLR means the ratio of time liabilities and liquid assets in demand is called statutory liquidity ratio. So simply SLR means time liabilities and liquid assets. Liquid assets means gold, investments, FDs, RDs, etc. And time liabilities means credits to other companies, etc. The ratio between these two is called SLR. SLR is always more among all these rates. These are the present rates put by RBI. SLR, it is 21.50%, repo rate 4.40, reverse repo rate 3.75, MSF rate 5.40, and CRR 3%, and bank rate 5.40%. Next one, IUCN has listed leatherback sea turtles of Thailand as dash species. So IUCN has a list of 7 types. Here options: critically endangered, B, endangered, C, vulnerable, D, extinct. So what this IUCN will do is, they have a list of species which are in danger. So what is this critically endangered means? These species which are under this list, they are in extreme critical state. That means if no care is taken, these species will soon go extinct within few months. Next, endangered. Endangered means they have a high risk of extinction. Next, C, vulnerable. Vulnerable means the extinction of species which are caused by humans. Man-made things which cause vulnerable to that species. Next, extinct means the species which are already extinct, that means which are not present on the earth. So the answer for this question, so leatherback sea turtles, they are enlisted into vulnerable list. That means due to man-made things, these sea turtles are facing problems. They are on the edge of extinction. Next, how many official languages does the United Nations have? 3, 6, 9, 14. The answer is B, 6. So let's have a look at what is United Nations Organization mean. So United Nations Organization, it was started in 24th October 1945, immediately after the World War II. So where was it headquarters? In New York, United States. So what is the main reason for this establishment? To maintain international peace and security, and to develop friendly relations and achieving international cooperation. Simply avoiding the occurrence of World War III by maintaining international peace and security between the countries in the world. So the main languages, these are the languages: Arabic, Chinese, English, French, Russian and Spanish. Next one, the list here, these are the 6 organs of UNO: General Assembly, Security Council, Economic and Social Council, Trusteeship Council, Secretariat and the International Court of Justice. And one more important thing is 193 member states, that means 193 countries are the members of United Nations organization. Next question, which of the following countries not included in the member states of Organization of Islamic Cooperation? Thailand, Iran, Pakistan, Indonesia. The answer is D, Indonesia. Maastricht Treaty is recently in news. Is related to which of the following? European Free Trade Association, European Union, Scandinavian countries, all the above. The answer is B, European Union. So what is this Maastricht Treaty? So it is established by European Union. So these are the 6 main rules for this Maastricht Treaty. That means having a single currency, the euro, of all these union countries. Next, significantly expanded cooperation between European countries in a number of new areas. Next, European citizenship was created, allowing citizens to reside in and move freely between member states. So in this European Union, only one currency is present, that is the euro. And European citizenship that provides people to move freely or to reside in any part of the member states. Next one, Kartarpur Sahib is located on the banks of which river? Ravi, Beas, Satluj, Son. The answer is C, Satluj. So what is this Kartarpur Sahib? So Kartarpur Sahib means it is a Gurudwara. It is the place where the Guru Nanak was died during his last days. He was lived there and he was died in that place. So it was present in the Punjab province of Pakistan. So what is, next question, what is Bangalore Blue that has been in news recently? A task force against COVID-19, new anthem of RCB, a new species of butterfly, a variety of grapes. Answer is D, a variety of grapes. So why it is in news? So these grapes, they have the large wine content and it is recognized as GI tag. It got GI tag by India. GI means geographical indication tag. That means it got the representation all across the world. Next one, which of the following South Asian country tops the list of recently released global compilation of child sexual abuse material? Among the which South Asian country tops the list in child sexual abuses? A, India, B, Bangladesh, C, Pakistan, D, Sri Lanka. Answer is A, India. Next one, Matterhorn mountain is recently in news, is located in which of the following country? France, Germany, Switzerland, Belgium. It is present in C, Switzerland. It is the highest peak in Switzerland. Next, Dash platform has been created with a vision to provide teachers with multiple types of resources to help them in teaching. Vidyadhan, E-Vidya, D, none. Answer is B, Vidyadhan. Here Vidyadhan, dhan means money. Vidyadhan means donating education. Next, a road and rail bridge over the Brahmaputra river in Assam is named as Bogibill Bridge, Chewang Rinchen Setu, Dola Sadia Bridge, D, none. Answer is B, Chewang Rinchen Setu. Next one, Daporizo Bridge, a strategic link towards the LAC. LAC means line of actual control between India and China. Was constructed recently on which of the following rivers? A, Lohit, B, Dihang, C, Subanesri, D, Dhansiri. The answer is C. Subhanasri. We can have a deep look in the next slide. Next one. Which of the following is or are observer states of Organization of Islamic Cooperation? India, Russia, C. USA, D. Brazil. Answer is D. Brazil. Sorry, here the question is, which of the following are not observer state? India, Russia, USA, these are all observer states. That means they are not actual members of this cooperation. They are only observer states. And D, Brazil is not observer state. Next one. Regarding Valparaiso Bridge, here you can see this is the bridge that was constructed. So the Border Roads Organization has completed the construction of major strategic bridge in Arunachal Pradesh amid the nationwide lockdown due to COVID-19. So there is a lockdown. The organization BRO, they constructed this bridge. So it was 430 feet long bridge at Valparaiso over Subhanasri River in Arunachal Pradesh. Here you can see Subhanasri River. The bridge will provide the movement of supplies to around 3,000 troops. That means 3,000 are deployed along the line of actual control with China. So who are facing problems during the lockdown, with the help of this bridge, they can transport the supplies to these families. Next one, which of the following is correct regarding Sagar Doctrine? It is proposed by United States of America for Quad Nations. It proposes a standard for maritime infrastructure. It aims to promote peace and stability in Indian Ocean region. D, all the above. The answer is C. It aims to promote peace and stability in Indian Ocean region. What is the full form of Sagar? Security and growth for all in the region. The region it talks about Indian Ocean. Next, which of the following island nations are not a part of Indian Ocean Commission? A. Mauritius, B. Madagascar, C. Seychelles, D. Lakshadweep. The answer is D. Lakshadweep. So let's have a look at what is this Indian Ocean Commission means. It was founded in 1982. It is an intergovernmental organization comprising 5 small island states in Western Indian Ocean, which are Comoros, this is Union of Comoros, Seychelles, Madagascar, Mauritius, Reunion. These are the 5 island states comprises Indian Ocean Commission. Significance of IOC: for its geographical location, as the islands sit around a key choke point in the Indian Ocean, the Mozambique Channel. Here you can see the Mozambique, this is Mozambique Channel. So these islands are present in the main point for trade and everything, for trade and transport. Hence they form Indian Ocean Commission. Next one, which of the following is the class of nuclear powered ballistic missile submarines? INS Vikramaditya, INS Anger, INS Arihant, INS Virat. The answer is INS Arihant. It is the only submarine which have nuclear missiles. Next, theme for World Earth Day, which is celebrated on April 22nd, is A. Climate action, B. Ban plastic, conservation forest for sustainable future, D. None of the above. The answer is A. Climate action. The important days and themes of April. 2nd April is celebrated as World Autism Awareness Day, and the theme is the transition of adulthood. All these day and theme are very important for exam point of view. Next, 5th April is celebrated as National Maritime Day. The theme is sustainable shipping for a sustainable planet. Next, 7th April as World Health Day, support nurses and midwives. 10th April as World Homeopathy Day, enhancing the scope of homeopathy in public health. Next, 11th April is National Safe Motherhood Day. Next, 13th April, Jallianwala Bagh Massacre. 17th April as World Hemophilia Day. Get involved virtually and stay safe. The theme for World Hemophilia Day is Get involved virtually and stay safe. Next question. COVID-19 India Seva is launched by which of the following ministry? Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Ministry of Agriculture, Defence and Railways. Answer is Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The next question is, what is the India's rank in World Press Freedom Index? 140, 142, 138, 150. In the last year, World Press Freedom Index, India's rank is 138 and it jumps to 4 more places and reaches 142. These are the top 3 countries. First one, Norway, Finland, Sweden. Next one, Sujalam Sufalam Jal Sanchay Abhiyan scheme is recently in news. Is launched by which of the following states? Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Rajasthan. Answer is A, Gujarat. Who among the following salaries and allowances are not charged on Consolidated Fund of India? Chairman of Rajya Sabha, Controller and Auditor General, Speaker of Lok Sabha, D. Judges of High Court. Answer is D. Judges of High Court. But judges of Supreme Court, their salaries and allowances are charged under Consolidated Fund of India. Next, which of the following are primordial elements? What is meant by primordial elements? Means these are the first elements before the origin of universe. Options are A, helium and hydrogen, helium, lithium, hydrogen, lithium and helium, lithium and hydrogen. Answer is B, helium, lithium, hydrogen. Next one, which among the following is not zoonosis? What is zoonosis? Zoonosis means the diseases that are transmitted from animals to humans. A, rabies, B, malaria, C, HIV, D, typhoid. Answer is D, typhoid. As we know, rabies is transmitted by dogs, malaria by mosquitoes, HIV by pigs, and answer is D, typhoid. And some other zoonosis are Nipah virus, which are transmitted through bats, and COVID-19. Till now we don't know the origin of COVID-19. Next question. Dash is a low-cost paper strip test which can detect the new coronavirus within an hour. A, Feluda, B, SARS test, C, COVID detect, D, none. Answer is A, Feluda. Next one, which company recently made the largest FDI? FDI means foreign direct investment in Reliance Jio platform. Facebook, Amazon, Alibaba, Netflix. Answer is A, Facebook. Next one, which of the following nation recently launched its first military satellite, Noor? Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Iran, UAE. The answer is C, Iran. Next one, nano mission program. Nano coatings will be used as appropriate material for producing anti-COVID-19 triple layer medical masks and N95 respirators. Simply, what is meant by nano mission program is providing the triple layer masks and N95 respirators with the help of nano coatings. That means they are using nanotechnology to coat the material. Is launched by which ministry? Ministry of Health and Welfare, Ministry of Science and Technology, Ministry of Defense, D, none. The answer is B, Ministry of Science and Technology. Who is named as the brand ambassador of I Am Badminton Awareness Campaign? A, Saina Nehwal, B, PV Sindhu, Srikanth Kidambi, Parupalla Kashyap. Answer is B, PV Sindhu. Which city has been declared as UNESCO's World Book Capital in 2020? New Delhi, Kuala Lumpur, Al-Jahra, Hawali. Answer is B, Kuala Lumpur. Which state government launched Aptamitra helpline and app to fight against coronavirus? Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, D, Uttar Pradesh. The answer is C, Karnataka. Next, who launched the My Book, My Friend campaign? Prakash Javadekar, Trivendra Singh Rawat, Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, D, Harshavardhan. Answer is C, Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. He is our Union HRD Minister. Next one, when is the National Panchayati Raj Day observed? 20 April, 24th April, 28th April, 2nd May. The answer is B, 24th April. Which article talks about village panchayats? For Article 40, Article 48, Article 52, Article 61. The answer is A, Article 40. And some other important days and themes. 18th April is celebrated as World Heritage Day. The theme is shared cultures, shared heritage, shared responsibility. Next, 21st April is celebrated as National Civil Services Day. 21st April again as World Creativity and Innovation Day. 22nd April as World Earth Day. The theme is Climate Action. 23rd April as World Book and Copyright Day. The theme is Kale Baka, Caring Through Reading. 24th April as National Panchayati Raj Day. 25th April as World Malaria Day. Zero Malaria Starts With Me is the theme. 26th April as World Intellectual Property Day. Innovate for a Green Future. 27th April as World Veterinary Day. And 28th April as World Day for Safety and Health at Work. 29th April International Dance Day. 30th April Ayushman Bharat Divas. All these are important for exam. Next, Khasi tribal population is inhabitant of which state of Northeast India? That means in which state of Northeast India they live? A. Manipur, B. Meghalaya, C. Assam, D. Tripura. Answer is B. Meghalaya. All the questions, all the topics, all the current affairs regarding northeastern states are very much important for exam point of view. Please don't neglect this topic. Next, Anthurium is recently in news related to which of the following? It's a rare earth element, aquatic species, potential COVID-19 vaccine, domestic flowering plant. Here you can see Anthurium. It is a domestic flowering plant. So why it is in news? These flowering plant, it helps to purify air, and these plant is cultivated in Kerala. Some other tribes of northeastern states. Nishi tribe, they live in Arunachal Pradesh, and Bodos in Assam, Kuki tribe in Nagaland, Bhutia tribe in Sikkim, Rengma, they live in Nagaland and Assam, Angami, they live in Manipur. Here Angami, before they lived in Nagaland, later their population shifted to Manipur. Next, Kongzom Day is recently in news, is celebrated by which of the following northeast state? Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Tripura. Answer is A. Manipur. Next one, Dehing Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, D. Assam. The answer is D. Assam. Here are the national parks I am providing for all the northeastern states. In Assam, you can find Kaziranga National Park, Manas National Park, Nameri, Dibru Orang National Park. In Sikkim, you can find Kanchenjunga National Park. It is also considered as a biodiversity. Next, Arunachal Pradesh, Namdapha National Park, Mauling National Park. In Manipur, you can find Kaibul Lamjao National Park. In Meghalaya, Balpakram National Park, Nokrek National Park. In Tripura, Rajbari National Park. In Nagaland, Tanki National Park. In Mizoram, Murlen National Park. All these are very much important. Next, Kasowal Bridge was constructed recently on which of the following river? Ravi, Satluj, Chenab, Jhelum. Answer is A. Ravi. This bridge is constructed in the state Punjab of India. Next, NanoBlitz 3D has been recently developed by which of the following? Autonomous Institute under Department of Science and Technology, Ministry of Defense, Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, D. NASA. Answer is A. It was developed by an autonomous institute under Department of S&T. Next, which among the top mutual fund company has decided to terminate its 6 managed credit funds due to COVID-19? That means which company decided to stop their or close their funds? Aditya Birla Sun Life, HDFC Mutual Fund, Franklin Templeton, Invesco India. The answer is C. Franklin Templeton. Next one, NASA to launch second generation space telescope named James Webb Space Telescope in which year? 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023. The answer is B. 2021. The first generation telescope, it was launched in 1985. Next one, in which country did the Chernobyl nuclear power plant experience a catastrophic explosion and fire? It was not happened recently, it was happened in a few years back. Kyrgyzstan, Mongolia, Kazakhstan, Ukraine. The answer is D. Ukraine. So what happened is, in Ukraine, Chernobyl, it is a place where the nuclear power plant is present. So due to some technical issue, they experienced a catastrophic explosion and fire, and that led to complete ban on this state, Chernobyl. So International Chernobyl Disaster Remembrance Day is observed on 26th April. This day aims to raise awareness of the consequences of Chernobyl disaster and the risks of nuclear energy in general. Next one, Dash took oath as Chief Vigilance Commissioner on 25th April 2020. Sanjay Kothari, Rajesh Iyer, Kamraj SK, Krishna Kumar. Answer is A. Sanjay Kumar. Next one, Dash developed Vital, a new high pressure ventilator tailored specifically to treat COVID-19 patients. ICMR, NASA, CNSA, Roscosmos. The answer is B. NASA. The last question of this video, the last question of this session is, Dash is the first interstellar object detected passing through the solar system. It was not a meteor, it was not an asteroid. So it was the first interstellar object. So what was its name? Chiron, Peleus, Oumuamua, Achilles. This is the first interstellar object and it was named as Oumuamua. So it was like oval shape that passes through our solar system. Friends, these are the topmost current affairs from this week. If you find my video helpful, please share it with your friends. And friends, please do comment so that we can improve our standard of making videos. And please subscribe to my channel Yuvataram Education. And you can follow us on Facebook /Yuvataram Education, Instagram /Yuvataram Education. Thank you all.